Coding is a very interesting science, a great skill set. You can do a lot of things with, and he's liking it, and I hope he retains it. First of all, it's a very affordable program. I think the product you get is very good for the price offered. That's always a very good thing. His instructors are good. I mean, he's had a good relationship with them. I've mentioned to other parents who have kids that might be interested that it's been good for me. You might want to try it. There's too many. I'd say when you're younger you learn a little bit of everything. Over time, you'll choose your specialties. My prediction is he's going to go through a lot of iterations of different interests. It won't be totally different. It might be something that evolves from that. And I encourage you. It gives more thoughts in your head. But whatever you ultimately wind up doing, I think it does build your thinking capability, imagination. Be very observant. Be very observant. The rules that worked before don't work exactly, but it gives you a foundation also. And if you can, try to just remember the best you can when you were at that age, how you perceive things, put yourself in that situation. Under today's environment with the technology and social situation, see how you would have perceived it and see if you can kind of get into your kid's head.